This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve connection errors in GTA 5, specifically Error Code 2025. Follow these steps to get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website with their social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, the problem may not be on your end, but rather a server outage. Step 2. Restart your game. Close GTA 5 completely and restart it. This simple step can often resolve temporary connection issues and refresh your connection to the game service. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or the Rockstar Launcher, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of your game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 5. Update network drivers. Make sure your network drivers are up to date. Go to the device manager on your computer, find your network adapter, and check for updates. Keeping your drivers current can help improve connectivity and reduce errors. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve connection error 2025 in GTA 5. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance. Happy gaming!